Welcome back to Zero to Logic. After learning about if-else statements, now it's time to explore loops. Loops allow us to repeat tasks multiple times with ease. Let's dive into how loops work. What is a loop? A loop is a control structure that enables us to repeat a block of code multiple times. There are several types of loops, such as for loops and while loops. In this video, we'll focus on the basic of loops and how to use them effectively in our code. Example for loop. A simple example of a for loop is counting number from 1 to 5. We can use a for loop to repeat the same code 5 times. Let's take a look at the code. For I in range 1 to 5, print I. As you can see, the for loop rate iterates over the range of number from 1 to 5 and prints its number. This is a basic example, but for loops can be used for more complex tasks, such as iterating over arrays or lists. Example for while loop. A while loop allows us to repeat code as long as a certain condition is met. For example, we can use a while loop to repeat code until the user enters the correct number. Let's take a look at the code. While the number is not equal to 5, keep asking the user to enter a number. In this example, the while loop continues to execute until the user enters the number 5. This is a simple example, but while loops can be used for more complex tasks, such as validating user input or repeating a task until a certain condition is met. The next tips and trick. Here are some tips and tricks to keep in mind when using loops. The first, make sure to use the correct syntax and indentation when writing loops. And the second, use loops to simplify repetitive tasks and make your code more efficient. And the next, be careful not to create infinite loops, which can cause your program to crash or freeze. Example of loop usage in daily life. Loops can be used in many real-world applications, such as automating repetitive tasks, such as data entry or file processing, or simulating real-world scenarios such as modeling population growth or financial transaction, and creating games and interactive simulation that require repetitive tasks or iterations. Conclusion: loops enable us to repeat tasks multiple times with ease. By using for loops and while loops, we can write more efficient and effective code. Remember to use loops to simplify repetitive tasks and make your code more efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more programming content. If you have any question or topic you'd like to see covered in future videos, leave them in the comment below.